Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the frustrating ChatGPT unable to load site error, specifically on Google Chrome. This issue is almost always triggered by corrupted browser data or conflicting network extensions blocking OpenAI's communication scripts. To resolve this instantly, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, select Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Temporarily toggle off all active ad blockers and VPN extensions, as they frequently mistake ChatGPT's live server API traffic for unauthorized trackers. Next, use the shortcut Control-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to All Time, check the boxes for cookies and cached files, and click Clear Data. Restart your Chrome browser completely, navigate back to the site, and you will be completely locked back in to a fully operational workspace. Subscribe the channel for more videos.